Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is the fourth session of this series where I'm solving IGCSE extended mathematics revision topic wise from paper 2, which is starting from 2003 to 2013. The topics I've selected is Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, and from the paper of 2008 I have selected four questions because there are four questions based on Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. So, as this question is concerned, this is a algebraic fraction, and I will write 18 as an LCM. 3 becomes 18 multiplied by 6, and 9 becomes 18 when it's multiplied by 2. So, numerator is going to be also multiplied by the same number, and 5x times 2 is going to give us 10x minus 5x. So 10 plus 6 is 16x minus 5x. Remember to do this step, show the working so that you can get full marks. And 16 minus 5 is going to give me 11x over 18 is final answer. Moving on to the next question. Question is 27x cube as a power of 2 over 3. So I know very well that 3 cube is the 27 and x cube as whole power of 2 over 3. This exponent has both of them, so I will write this way: 2 over 3, and x cube also has a power of 2 over 3. So this exponent, this power is for both of them. And I will write next is 3 times 2 over 3, and x power 3 times 2 over 3. These three are going to be cancelled. So as an answer, I will have x squared. So that means final answer is 9x power square. 9x squared is the final answer. Question number 3, which is question number 13 on the paper. So I will multiply 3 by 2x minus 5 greater than 8 is multiplied by x plus 4. This gives me 6x minus 15 greater than 8x plus 32. 6x minus 8x greater than 32 plus 15. This gives me a minus 2x greater than 47, and half of 47 is going to be 23.5. I have to change the direction of 23.5. This is going to be a final answer. When it comes to the last question, it is about find the coordinates of the points of intersection of these straight lines. I know very well that the first equation is going to be multiplied by 3 because when it's multiplied by 3 and 2, they are going to be same. So I'll multiply this way, both sides, first by 3 and second by 2. So ultimately I will get 6x plus 9y equals 33, and 6x minus 10y equals negative 24. Make a straight line, change the sign, and this is going to give me 19 of y, and this is going to give me 57, and the value of y is going to be 3. Now I know the value of y is 3. Now I'll find out the value of x. I can take any equation I want. I'm taking equation 1, and 2x plus 3, value of y is already, we know very well, equals 11. That means 2x plus 9 equals 11, and 2x equals 11 minus 9, and 2x equals 2. That means x equals 1. So this was paper of 2008, and this is paper of 2009, and it says write as a single fraction. So the marks will be given to you for making this as a fraction and straight line, and 8 times 5 gives you a 40, which is the LCM. 8 multiplied by 5 gives you 40, and 5 times 8 gives you a 40. So you multiply with the same numbers, denominator 2. So this will be multiplied by 5 and this is multiplied by 8. This gives us 15a plus 32, and that's going to be your final answer. 15a plus 32 over 40 is going to be your final answer. Now in here it says rearrange the formula to make y as a subject. So first thing that you must do is y over 9 equals 1 minus x. And now radical y equals 9 times 1 minus x. This is going to give us radical y and 9 minus 9x. And in here we are going to take the square of both the sides. Y equals 9 minus 9x square square. So this will be cancelled with this. So the value of y is going to be, this is the a minus b formula. So it is 81 minus 2 times 9 and 9x and plus 81x. So this gives us 81 minus 162, 162x plus 81x square. This is going to be final answer and you get full marks for this working. Now comes a question of fractions in which you need to write as a single fraction. Same method you're going to apply. C is going to multiply by D. That means if I write like this, C times D plus 1 over D times C minus D. C and D is already there. So I'll multiply this by D and multiply this by C. So I will get D over straight line and C, D is going to be the denominator, plus C and minus C minus D. So ultimately what we'll have, D plus C minus C and plus D over CD, and C and C is going to be cancelled. That means 2D over D. That means CD. This D will be cancelled. So 2 over C is going to be your final answer. Now solving simultaneous equation. So the value of x is already given here. So we will substitute the value in 2y plus 3, and the value of x is already given. So 4y plus 16 will be plugged into this and gives you 6. This gives us 2y plus 3 times 4 is a 12y, and plus 3 times 16 is a 48 equals 6. That means it's going to give you a 14y plus 48 minus 6. That means 14y equals a negative 48 plus 6. So it's going to give you a 14y equals negative 42. That means y equals negative 3. Now plugging in the value of y in here, in any value I want, I can use 2y plus 3x equals 6. The value of y we know very well. It is minus 3 plus 3x equals 6. This gives us negative 6 plus 3x equals 6. So 3x equals 6 plus 6. That means 3x equals 12. So x will be equals to 4. So the value of x and y is found out, and you can write the answer in the form of coordinates. X is 4 and y is negative 3. You get full marks for this question. Now it says a spray can is used to paint a wall. The thickness of the paint in the wall is T. The distance spray can fall is inversely proportional. That means you should write T is inversely proportional to I over D square. It's already given in the question. Now to remove the sign of proportionality, I will write t equals k over d square. Now, first of all, we need to find out the value of k. How much is k equals to? So I'll put the values over here. T is zero point 0.2 given, k we don't know the value, and the value of d is 8. It's given in the question over here. So I will write 8 square. That means k is multiplied by zero point 0.2 times 64. So the value of k is 12.8. I know the value of k. Now I need to find out the value of t. Formula I have just made for you over here. K over d square, and you need to find t. K is 12.58 divided by d is 10. That means it's going to be 10 square means 100, and the value of t is going to be 0.18128. So you can write this 0.128 as an answer. You get full marks. Now in this question, it says draw three lines y equals 4. So I will take benefit of this line. So it says y equals 4. That means y is going to be equals to 4, something like this. Okay, this is the first line. And x equals, that means we have to make both of them y equals to how much? Second equation is 2x minus y equals 4. That means minus y equals minus 2x plus 4. That means minus y over negative 2x means, or better I do it the other way around. I will make y equals to how much? Let's see. I am going to make 2x equals 4 plus y, and y is equals to 2x minus 4. So this is in terms of y equals mx plus c. So this is the equation we are talking about. And the second equation is in the form of x plus y equals 6. That means y equals negative x plus 6. So these are the three lines that we are going to work on. First equation, first line is already drawn. Now y equals 2x minus 4. That means your line is going to begin from here. Okay. Now if x equals 0, well, y you know very well. Okay. Now I am saying that if y is 0, how much is going to be x? Okay. So y equals 0. So 2x minus 4. That means 2x equals 4. That means x equals to 2. That means your line is going to be x2. That means your line is going to start from here and it's going to cross at x2. Something like this. Okay, and when it comes to the third line, so it's starting from plus 6. Starting from plus 6 is this one. This is the starting point. And if y is 0, x is going to be how much? That means negative x equals negative 6. So that means x is equals to 6. Now we'll take another line and starting from 6, and x also should be 6. So these are the lines to be drawn, and you get 4 marks for drawing these lines. Okay. Now comes write a letter R in the region defined by the three inequalities. Now remember, this is not unwanted region. This is a wanted region. Okay, so strategy is going to be different. Now in here, it says y is less than or equal to 4. That means all the area which is down below here less than this is going to be shaded. All is going to be shaded. Now comes second equation, which is 2x minus 4 is this one. This line we are talking about. So, and it is saying less than, greater than or equal to. That means all the area which is above this is going to be shaded. And the third one is saying which is greater than or equal to 6. That means all the values which are greater than this is going to be equal. So this is how it's going to be shaded, and we need to know where all these three lines are meeting. I have prepared this already for you. So you're going to get area something like this. All the points that are connecting these ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the region what we are talking about. Mark that as an R and you get full marks for it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be posting the new portion for this one very soon. Thank you very much.